Chairman of the BEI, I would like to report po that we are having the votes be shaded by the watchers and the ballot secrecy folders are not being used. Sinisita po ng watcher from I do not see the party. I would like this to be noted in the minutes po. Despite the fact of reporting, tinutuloy pa rin po na mag-shade despite being a poll watcher who is disqualified from being an assistor for the elderly. May we also note po the presence of election paraphernalia.
Excuse me.